Good morning and a warm welcome to one and all. Today I am here to have a brief discussion on topic called as project life cycle, which comes under the subject project management. So without getting late, let's start with the topic. Now, while thinking about the project life cycle, we need to understand what is a project. Fine. So, what is project? You can define it as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or results. If we speak in layman's language, it is something which will create new things. Fine. The end product will be something. Fine. So all projects vary in complexity, but they always follow similar life cycle. All projects have, as I previously said that it produce something or else. Fine. Now, what can be the examples of the project? The project can be a new product development or a builder innovation, or you can take example if someone is assigning you a task to to plan a wedding. It can be also a new project. To plan a birthday party, it can be also a new project. Fine. Now going ahead, we will look into what is the project life cycles. Fine. Now the project life cycle is a series of phases of the project from initiation to completion. The life cycle gives a practical approach to problem solving applied to all aspects of the project. Phases in the project life cycle encompasses and overlapping phases. A project life cycle typically has four main phases. First one is initiation phase, second planning phase, third is implementation and execution phase. Here in the third phase, generally to include a monitoring phase as well. Fine. So I am clubbing this both into one implementation and execution phase. Your monitoring as well. Closure phase. Now going ahead, you will be able to see that I have taken some phase of the project. So this is the brief summary about the same. So in initiation phase, what will happen is the project needs is identified in the initiation phase. It signals the start of the project. Now, then after it goes to planning phase. Here, whatever we have, what are the requirements and whatever things we have identified, we need to plan the same, and after planning, we need to implement the given things. Fine. And after implementing and monitoring the same, we will go towards the closure of the phase. The closure phase will give you a final products of the product life cycle. Fine. Getting into the, let's understand first step comes into product life cycle. On the first phase, explores the project concept. Okay, it will let you know, or it will help you to define the scope during this phase. It will help you to get understand the feasibility study, and to get the all basic information all the about all the attributes and the requirements which is to be made in the coming further life cycle phase. So this is the generally the first phase in which the project team is identified. Fine. Now the second stage is the planning phase. This phase further details the scope of the project, and here the task and the resources are identified and assigned during this phase. But after defining the task, it will be having a time frame, and in order to complete that particular task, I resources. Fine. So how much resources will I need to complete the given task in a particular time frame? It will be decided in the planning phases, and such and other such things are planned here. Fine. The project manager coordinates the preparation of the schedule and project budget. Risks are identified ahead to anticipate any project threat. Okay, so we are aware about the risk as well, and we will have the plan to deal with the risk also. in the execution phase. Then comes the quality plan, where it is being prepared to maintain product standards and through and it is main project. Communication plan is created in order to ensure everyone is informed. It is one, because each and every stage you should inform your colleagues, because no resource should left with the false information, and it will help you to complete your given task in a particular time frame. Fine. Now comes the implement. I said previously said implementation phase comes third, and I have collaborated this phase as well. I have not taken monitoring phase as different, because if you generally see while implementing the plannings which we have already done in the planning phase, while implementing we have to monitor the same. So I'm not keeping monitoring stage as a different stage. So I will be considering the same in the implementation phase. Fine. So generally in this phase we work the outline in the project plan is performed. Fine. We will actually implement the plan. This phase consumes the most resources and energy. Fine. Constant and close monitoring of the work should be done to ensure status reports are important for all stakeholders involved. Deliverables are made or quality accepted. So all the things which are planned and which are need to be executed in a predefined format uh, is being implemented in this implementation phase, and the most focus is given on the resources which are utilized while performing this phases. Fine. And the final one is the closure phase. Here, after the successful implementation, um, we will have a closure phase, which it will be the last phase of the project life cycle, and involves handing over final deliverables to the customers or to the client. You can say contracts are properly terminated for equipments, vendors, and staff. All stakeholders are to be informed of the project closure. This is when the team reviews the overall project and identifies lessons learned from for the future projects. Fine. Now the thing is, many times it's not every time it's possible to have dation. Get to learn. You will get to learn from your mistakes performed in the implementation phase in the product life cycles. But in general, we like that we get 100% successful results, which will be a fruitful to an organization and as well as for its clients and customers. Fine. So guys, I hope you have liked this particular brief discussion about the product life cycle. Thank you. Thanks for your support and efforts you have given. Thank you. Thanks a lot.